So the number of beakers that can be filled with 50 plus x milliliters of a solution is given by this division right here, right? This quotient. It's 400 plus 3x divided by 50 plus x. How many beakers can be filled? So this problem's a bit confusing because the curveball is that they give you the amount of solution involving x. So you're kind of thinking, okay, well, how do I relate these two so that I can answer the question? But we don't care about the amount of solution. All we are asked for is how many beakers can be filled. The number of beakers that can be filled is given by this quotient here, right? So we could just ignore the amount of solution, forget about it. It's just there to confuse you. So if we're just trying to find out how many beakers can be filled, we need to do this division. So we'll have 400 plus 3x divided by 50 plus x. So how can we solve this? Well, let's go ahead and write it in standard form to start out. So we'll have 3x plus 400 over x plus 50. And let's see, we cannot factor out a 3 in the numerator. All right, trying to find factors so we can cancel out the x plus 50 and the x plus 50 in the denominator. So I guess we could do a long division. So let's go ahead and rewrite this as x plus 50 divided into 3x plus 400. We're asking ourselves what times x is equal to 3x. That's going to be a 3. We're going to multiply out and we get 3x plus 150. Do a subtraction. And 3x minus 3x is 0. 400 minus 150 is, 250. And so since we have a remainder, we have a second term here. So we're going to do plus 250 over x plus 50. And so this is how many beakers can be filled, because the question tells us the number of beakers that can be filled is given by this quotient, right? So here we are. Let's go ahead and write it over here. It's 3 plus 250 over x plus 50. Number of beakers. Oh, let me go ahead and put here beakers. Alright, I'm going to ignore that phone call and finish this up. So the area of a rectangle is 3x plus 90 feet squared. The length is x minus 3 feet. What's the width? So again, we have a rectangle problem, and so we have area of a rectangle is equal to the length, width times the length. And so we can go ahead and substitute in. So we'll get 3x plus 90 is equal to the width, which is what we don't know. What is the width? So W is the width. So it's going to equal to width times x minus 3. All right, so area is equal to width times x minus 3, the length. So now we need to solve for width. So how can we do that? We're going to divide by x minus 3 on both sides. And now we have a division problem, right? So we're going to rewrite this as the width is equal to 3x plus 90 over x minus 3. So let's go ahead and use long division. So we'll do x minus 3 divides into 3x plus 90. So x goes into 3. Well, what do we multiply x by to get 3x? That's going to be a 3. So I'm going to put that here. We'll multiply out and we'll get 3x minus 9. Do a subtraction. We get 3x minus 3x is 0. 90 minus a negative 9 becomes positive. So 90 plus 9 is 99. Right? So we're going to come back up here. And since we have a remainder, we got a second term. It's going to be 99 over x minus 3. And so that's the width in feet. Right? So let's go ahead and write our answer down. 3 plus 99 over x minus 3 And so here are a couple of word problems that we solved using long division.